So in this video, we're going to be learning how to knit a stitch. I'm using a 9mm circular needle for demonstration. So I've cast on 10 stitches here. This is a long tail cast on. If you don't know how to do that, you can have a look at this video. So to knit a stitch, make sure you're working with the ball of yarn instead of the tail. So if I hold my needles like this is up, this is down. I'm going to insert my needle in the first loop upward, like that. And then I'm going to grab my working yarn and wrap it around this working needle. And the direction is back, left, front. So just wrap it around this one needle, back, left, front. So now we've actually created a new loop on the working needle, and the old loop is on the left needle. And then we're just going to use the working needle, pull the new loop through the old loop, like that. And then you want to take the old loop off the left needle. Just take it off. And we've completed a knit stitch. Okay, let's knit the next stitch. Insert in the next stitch, upward, and then create a new loop by wrapping your yarn around the working needle from back, left, front. And then pull it through the old loop. And then take the old loop off the needle like that. Again, insert upward, create a loop, and then pull it through the old loop. And then take it off the needle. Insert, wrap yarn to create a new loop, pull it through the old loop, and then take it off the needle. Insert, new loop, pull it through, take the old loop off. Insert, new loop, pull through, and take off. Insert, new loop, pull through, and take off. Insert, new loop, pull through, take off. So we've knitted the first row. If you keep repeating this row, it's going to create a very interesting pattern called garter stitch. So I'm going to repeat this row a few more times. And this is what garter stitch looks like. If you want to learn how to do purl stitches, have a look at this one.